Hi, I'm Steve. I just wanted to preface this video with a little bit of information. I've not really touched my boat for over a year. Got very downhearted with it, and as the video explained, I started looking for other boats. So I kind of just want to get on, and I'll be starting to add in some more videos as we go along. So for the 20 people that did subscribe, thank you. And we'll continue making more content now, and hopefully in the not too distant future bring this old 1970s Shetland back to life and get back on the water. There's lots to come. Thank you. I put my boat up for sale last week because I was so downhearted about not doing anything. Then I started browsing classifieds on Facebook and eBay for buying a boat. And then I realised that all the boats that I'm looking at, they will need work for the kind of money that I want to spend. And I've got a perfectly good boat that I know needs work, but I know exactly what work it needed. I know it's got a cracking engine, and it just needed decent putting in. So when I bought it, the floor was all soggy. So I lifted that up, fiberglassed in new floor underneath, or whatever it's called, string of parts. And then I needed just to put the floor supports back in because they weren't rotten, although they were wet at the time, which they're not anymore, and glass them back down. So here it is all laid out. Tomorrow it's gonna get a bit of drainage tube in the middles. I'm going to make a little box there for the bilge pump, and then I'm going to fiberglass it, finish the interior and use it.